Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and make a flux test all the mode on all the mode 8. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to add the red dust on over here and make sure to top it up on a bedrock or the fluxed rock. Then afterwards you're simply going to go ahead have to place an obsidian on the top of the both of the rocks as it has shown over here, both on the bedrock and on the flux rock. Once you have added them accordingly, you will be able to punch the obsidian on top. Once you have done so, the flux dust gonna be created, and you can see the results on the right side of your box. And you can do this particular activity as many times as you want for the need of yours, and you can use it for whatever you like, and you can create as much as you want. That is the simplest way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.